Welcome back to another Chem 2302 lab experiment primer video. Out of all the experiments in this course, this one differs the most. Although we are fortunate to have GCs, LCs, spectrophotometers, and more in our analytical teaching lab at Carleton University, titrations still provide important results. Today, you'll be learning to perform a redox titration to determine the amount of vitamin C in a tablet. Let's get started. This experiment will give you hands-on skills that are used on a day-to-day basis in an analytical laboratory. It will help you improve your pipetting, recognize qualitative differences, and know what chemicals are to be used at certain points in reactions. We have a fair amount of tips for this experiment, so let's get started. Do not come to the lab without completing your pre-lab calculations. If you need help, email your TA or lab coordinator before the lab. Time setbacks in this experiment may require you to stay late, which neither you nor your instructors want. When preparing solutions, make sure you carefully read the lab manual and compound labels. Many compound labels have similar names, but are very different. Adding the wrong chemical will set you back or give you unusable data for your post-lab report. Additionally, prepare all your solutions you'll be titrating at once to save time. Qualitative observations will indicate important points in this experiment. Know what colors and color changes to expect and when to expect them. Finally, although we've already mentioned to read your lab manual a million times, really make sure to understand key definitions in this section. Terms like stoichiometric and standardization will provide a lot of insight as to what you're doing for this experiment. That about covers experiment 7. Using your titration measurements gathered to calculate the mass of vitamin C in your provided vitamin tablet for your post-lab report. Remember, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email your TA or lab coordinator for assistance. And with that, good luck and stay curious.